Hello everyone. This is a video tutorial on largest eigenvalue and eigenvector by iteration method, which is also called as Rayleigh's method. After this video, you will be able to compute the largest eigenvalue and eigenvector. Working method. The important condition for any vector x to be an eigenvector for a given square matrix A is Ax is equal to lambda x. Now here we are going to find out the largest eigenvector for a given matrix A. So we have to start with some initial approximation which is denoted by x naught, and if x naught is the initial approximation for the eigenvector, then multiply the matrix A with this eigenvector x naught. From this multiplication, take numerically large value common so that Ax naught is equal to lambda 1 x1. Here lambda 1 is a first approximation to eigenvalue and x1 is a first approximation to eigenvector. Then in the next iteration, perform A into x1, which is equal to lambda 2 x2, where x1 is a better approximation to x naught. Follow the procedure with next better approximate value of eigenvector and perform the iteration until we get the same eigenvalue for two consecutive iterations. Let's have an example. Find the largest eigenvalue and eigenvector for matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2, which is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So for this 3 cross 3 matrix, we will begin with the initial approximation for the eigenvector as x naught equal to 1 0 0, a column vector 1 0 0. One can take the initial approximation for eigenvector as 0 1 0 or 0 0 1. So let's multiply this eigenvector with matrix A. So the Ax naught is equal to 2 minus 1 0. From this vector 2 minus 1 0, we have to take numerically large value common, which is 2. And after taking 2 common from this vector, we get the vector as 1 minus 0.5 and 0. That means we have to divide every element of this vector by 2 if we take the 2 common, which is equal to lambda 1 x1. So lambda 1 is the approximate value of the eigenvalue and this is a approximate eigenvector. Now for the next iteration, we have to multiply A with the x1 and the vector that we obtained is 2.5 minus 2 0.5. From this vector, we have to take numerically large value common, that is 2.5, and after taking 2.5 common, we get the vector as 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, which is a next better approximation for x naught. Now, continuing the process in this way, we get the third approximation for the eigenvector and eigenvalue. So here in the third iteration, we get the eigenvalue as 2.8 and eigenvector as 1 minus 1.4285. For the next iteration, multiply matrix A with x3 and the vector that we obtained is 3 minus 3.4286, 1.8571. Now in this vector, if we see that the numerically large value is 3.4286. So here we have to take common minus 3.4286 common. So numerically large value is 3.4286, but while taking common, we have to take that value common along with its sign. So if we take minus 3.4286 common, the vector that we obtained is minus 0.87501 minus 0.5417. Now, the next approximation is A into x4. So the vector we obtained is minus 2.75 3.4166 minus 2.0833. So take out numerically large value common, which is 3.4166, and the vector we obtained is x5. Now, if we see that in between these two eigenvalues obtained in two consecutive iterations, there is a huge difference. So we have to perform few more iterations here. So A into x5 will gives us minus 2.6098, 3.4147, minus 2.2195 vector. And from this vector, if we take 3.4147 common, we get the eigenvector as minus 0.76431 minus 0.65, and perform the next iteration until we get the same value, same eigenvalue in two consecutive iteration. Now with x6 means in this two iteration, a into x raised to power 6 and a x raised to power 7, these two eigenvalue matches up to 3 decimal places. But if we perform one more iteration to get the more accuracy in the eigenvalue, we can see that in this 8th and 9th iteration, we get the exactly same eigenvalues correct up to 4 decimal place. So we can say that this is the largest eigenvalue, and the corresponding eigenvector, which is minus 0.71861 minus 0.6956, is the largest eigenvector. Now if we cross check it with the previous method, then we get that for matrix A, characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 10 lambda minus 4, which is equal to 0. And the eigenvalues, if we calculate with the help of calculator, we get the eigenvalues as 0.5858, 3.4142 and 2. And here 3.4142 is the largest eigenvalue, and with the help of Rayleigh's method also or iteration method, we get the same eigenvalue 3.4142. Note that for 2 cross 2 matrix, initial approximation for the eigenvector can be 1 0 or 0 1, and for 3 cross 3 matrix, one can take the initial approximation as column vector 1 0 0 or 0 1 0 or 0 0 1. Now let's try this example of 2 cross 2 matrix. Find the largest eigenvalue and eigenvector for the matrix A, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2. The hint is that eigenvalue of the matrix obtained by the previous or the from the characteristic equation are minus 3 and 1. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much.